So we bought the Ruffwear Confluence collar here for our dog, and as you can see, it fits really nicely. It has this buckle here, and then a leash clip there. It has two adjustment points here, and then on the other side here. So we'll unclip it and take a look. What we like a lot about this is that it is waterproof. So as you can see, it's this nice kind of rubbery plastic. It also has these little reflective like design speckles in it, which is quite nice. So on one dog, the collar has been really great. However, on the other dog, we kept running into a problem where this pin would snap. And so we had to have it replaced multiple times. So being in a colder weather environment, these pins tend to become a little brittle and fragile. So that is one thing to keep in mind. But it's easy to clean, it's waterproof, and it's highly adjustable. So we like it a lot.